You know what? For old time's sake, let's play b3. It's been so long since I played b3 on move 1. I kind of want to do it here. Come on, pretty mama. Key Largo. Come on, pretty mama. Okay, this is what Magnus had against Eric Hansen, I believe. I think h4 is kind of a move here. But I think I'm going to go here, knight f4. I think, yeah, Magnus has this against Eric Hansen in the World Rapid and Blitz. It's knight h3 stuff, so see what we get. It's fine. Queen h4, I just go here. I could play h4 maybe, but I think... I'm wondering about h4 here, actually. h4, bishop d6, e3 or something. I mean, it's something that I want to play, but, you know, it's... Ah, let's just do it. Let's go for it. Come on, pretty mama. Go e3 here to guard the knight. If I take, it's an embarrassing checkmate. I'm gonna go g4, g5. Not really sure what's going on here, though. Now, I do have h5 maybe, but I'm not gonna do it. I'm just gonna go g4 and attack. I'm probably gonna go like queen e2, knight c3 and try to castle queenside. Go here. I bet this is not very good, but I kind of like the originality of the position, so I'm pretty happy with what I've gotten here. Like, I'm gonna go here, I'm gonna castle, maybe g5 somewhere. Just castle, king b1. Want to dodge this bishop a3 stuff. Go g5, kick the knight. He can go to h5, which he does. I mean, I feel like it's a slight mistake, but maybe I'll be proven wrong, just because this knight is a little bit iffy on h5. Oh, let's just develop. Go back. I definitely don't want to trade the bishops here for sure, because I need to keep the scope on this long diagonal. There's knight c5, reasonable. Actually, I kind of don't like my position. I might be in some trouble here now that I look at it. What am I doing, actually? This looks kind of scary. I guess let's go here. Here, this does not look wonderful, by the way. I'm in a little bit of trouble, but this knight is still on the edge. As long as I keep this knight where it can't go, either the squares, I should be okay, but it feels a little bit iffy. This there, which I also don't really like. Could take. I need to pick up my speed, though. Let me just go here. I should have taken and gone f4 because I could have opened it up, actually. I could have taken f4 takes bishop e5. That was a mistake by me. Goes d3. I'll take with the pawn. Knight d3. Probably go bishop c3, knight f2. Like, I think my position is okay here, but it's still kind of scary. He can't take, I don't think. I have king a2 and rook b1, I think, but I'm not sure. A little bit dangerous. We'll see. I'll pre-move it in case he takes, just because he could. I mean, maybe I should take him with the bishop. I don't know. We'll see. So he goes a4. So he's actually trying to go all in and win, which is interesting strategy here. I'll take. I have d4 here. I could also sack the rook, maybe. I don't really like it. Queen g4 seems acceptable to me, because after takes, I take, and I'm kind of swinging over. So I'll pre-move this. I'm up a lot on time right now. I'm either going to win this game very cleanly, or I'm going to end up in a lot of trouble very quickly here. But I think I'm in good shape, because the knight is still blocked. There's still no squares available. With no squares available for this horse. Right, but now I can play a queen c4 or queen a4 both playable. I think I'm going to go to c4. I think he missed this, because now his pawn on e5 is loose. And he also doesn't get any attacks. If he goes here, I have bishop c3, I have rook g1. He's definitely misplayed this. Queen a4 was maybe queen a4 is better. Because with queen a4, he has to trade. Here, maybe he can try to hide, but now I should just be winning. Which way do I take is actually an interesting question as well. I don't actually know. I think I'm going to take with the b pawn. Goes there, and now I'm going to go here, cut the knight off. Got this weird little box of pawns, as you probably can tell. Go here. At some point, if I can go f4, I win the game. But I think I should go here and take away rook a8. This should be winning pretty soon. What do I want to do? I guess I'll go here maybe. How do I do this? It's not easy. Maybe here. Okay, now maybe I can go f4. No, still no f4. Oh, that was... Why did I do that? Actually, legitimately, why did I do that? Let's go f4, try to open it up. Now I win, but again, this is not really what... Oh, I've got c5 maybe? Let's take. I've got d4. I've got this weird pawn clump. Go here. Okay, I can just go d4, I guess. Look at these pawns, by the way. And now I start pushing the p, and he's got all kinds of problems now. Go check. Go here, pin the knight, and now it's all going to collapse. Oh, I also had rook a4, which was just good enough as well.